So, in the series of network security, our next topic that we'll be covering today is TCP dump. Okay. So, what exactly is TCP dump? It is a command line utility, which basically means it can run on command line as it is a Unix tool. Okay. So, this uses of this tool are basically it is used to capture and analyze network traffic going through your system. It is used to troubleshoot the network issues. It is used as a security tool and it is used for debugging setup of the network itself. It is also used to gather data from network, decipher the bits, and display the output in a semi-coherent fashion. So these are the various uses of TCP dump. It can also be used for intercepting and displaying the communications of another user or computer. It uses the libpcap to capture packets. Okay, it works on operating systems such as Linux, Solaris, BSD, and macOS. So this is all about TCP dump that you require for your exam.
If you like the video you just saw, please consider hitting the like button and letting us know. Also, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends. Stay awesome and see you next time.